Black holes. Even the name sounds cool, mysterious, right? They're like the ultimate cosmic mystery, these invisible giants lurking in the vast expanse of space. Everyone's heard of them, from astrophysicists to your eccentric Aunt Carol who reads tea leaves. We've all seen the pictures, swirling vortexes of darkness, pulling everything around them into oblivion. Sounds terrifying, right? Well, maybe a little, but mostly they're just really, really fascinating. Imagine a vacuum cleaner, but instead of crumbs and dust bunnies, it sucks up everything: light, planets, even time itself. It's like the ultimate clean your plate rule, but for the cosmos. These celestial objects are so bizarre, so utterly mind-boggling, that they make even the craziest science fiction seem tame. But don't worry, by the end of this essay, you'll be the life of the party, casually dropping black hole facts like it's no big deal. Okay, so what exactly are these mysterious cosmic cookie monsters? In the simplest terms, a black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong, so ridiculously intense, that nothing, not even light, can escape its clutches. Picture this. You know how a bowling ball makes a dent in a trampoline? That's kind of what a black hole does to space-time. It warps and curves it so much that anything that gets too close falls right in. Now, we can't actually see black holes directly because, light can't escape them. It's like trying to find a black cat in a coal cellar during a power outage. But we know they're out there because of the way they affect the stuff around them. Kind of like how you know your roommate ate the last cookie, even though you didn't see them do it. The evidence is all around you. Crumbs on the counter, a suspicious milk mustache. You get the idea. So how do these gravitational monsters even form? Well, it's a bit of a dramatic process. Not unlike the plot of a reality TV show, actually. You see, most black holes are the dramatic end products of massive stars. Think of the biggest, brightest stars you can imagine, stars way bigger than our sun. These stars live fast, die young, and go out with a bang. When they finally run out of fuel, they collapse in on themselves, creating a supernova, a massive explosion that's visible across the universe. And what's left behind after all that drama? You guessed it, a black hole. It's like the ultimate cosmic makeover, from shining star to gravitational abyss. Section 4, spaghettification, anyone? The deliciously disturbing effects of a black hole. Now let's talk about what happens if you get too close to a black hole. Spoiler alert, it's not pretty. Remember that intense gravity we talked about? Well, it has a rather stretchy effect on objects. Imagine a plate of spaghetti being slurped up. That's kind of what happens to objects, and unfortunately people, who get too close to a black hole. This phenomenon, aptly named spaghettification, is exactly as weird and terrifying as it sounds. As you get closer to the black hole, the difference in gravitational pull between your head and your feet becomes so great that you get stretched out like a piece of cosmic taffy. Not exactly a pleasant way to go, right? So, while the idea of a black hole might seem fascinating from afar, trust me, you definitely don't want to get too close for a selfie. Section 5. Black holes, not your average cosmic vacuum cleaners. Now here's a fun fact. Black holes aren't actually giant cosmic vacuum cleaners. Yes, they have a bad reputation for sucking up everything in sight, but it's not entirely accurate. They're more like cosmic recycling centers. Hear me out. While they do pull in matter and energy, they also release some of it back out into the universe in the form of powerful jets of radiation. Think of it this way. A messy eater might spill some food while they're chowing down, right? Black holes are kind of the same way. They're messy eaters, but they're still part of the cosmic ecosystem. So the next time someone tells you black holes are just giant cosmic vacuum cleaners, you can set them straight. Section 6. Mysteries of the Universe, Unraveling the Secrets of Black Holes. Despite all the cool stuff we've learned about black holes, there's still so much we don't know. They're like the ultimate cosmic puzzle, with pieces we're still trying to fit together. For example, what happens to the stuff that falls into a black hole? Does it just disappear forever? Or does it end up in some other dimension, like a cosmic garbage disposal leading to another universe? And what about the singularity at the center of a black hole? The point where all that matter is supposedly crushed into an infinitely small point. It's enough to make your brain hurt just thinking about it. But that's the beauty of science. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we still don't know. And that's what makes black holes so endlessly fascinating. Section 7. Black holes in popular culture, from scary monsters to plot devices. It's no surprise that black holes have captured our imaginations and become a staple of science fiction. From movies like Interstellar to TV shows like Doctor Who, black holes provide a convenient plot device for time travel, alternate dimensions, and all sorts of cosmic shenanigans. They're often portrayed as scary monsters, lurking in the darkness of space, waiting to swallow up unsuspecting planets. But as we've learned, they're not quite the villains they're made out to be. In reality, black holes are just another fascinating piece of the cosmic puzzle, reminding us of the vastness and wonder of the universe we live in. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that there are invisible giants out there, warping space-time and challenging our understanding of the cosmos. And that, my friends, is pretty darn cool.